know it's him. And here comes the drama.
Hello, my fellow composers, and welcome to the Composing Cook. No, not really! Hello, my fellow composers, and welcome to the Composing Cook.
And the divas in the room.
That's more like it, isn't it? Today, I'm going to be making for you my double chocolate key lime pie. Double chocolate, okay? Right, to begin with, we need limes, right? Okay, we're going to need approximately 175 millilitres of lime juice. So what I've done is I've got 4 limes. I've done 3 already, but I'll just show you what I do with it. Basically, you want to zest the limes like so. You can grate it, you can use a grater as well, but I quite like using a zester. I mean, look how easy that is. And then we just need to extract the juice from the limes. All right, I'm going to pour that in. Any bit of, see that those bits there, put that in as well because that's all flavour, that's all nice. That adds to the 175 millilitres as well. So, right, let's see how much we've got. We have, do you know what 4 limes has only given me? 100 millilitres, because it really does depend on the size of the limes. But don't panic. Lime juice will do the trick just fine to make up the difference.
So can you just use everything out of the bottle if you wanted to?
Yeah, you can use, if you just want to use lime juice, you can do. All it means is you won't have the zest for the decoration at the end, but that doesn't really matter.
No.
It's up to you. So we need to make the base for the key lime pie. So in my food processor, I have 400 grams dark chocolate digestive biscuits. Very nice. 65 grams unsalted butter and 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. And all we have to do is Can you see, if you look inside, can you see how it's all coming together now? That's what you're looking for, because obviously it needs to bind.
Yeah.
There we go, come and have a look. That's exactly what you want. You want it to look like that, okay?
Exactly like that.
Exactly like that. Now, I've got a flue tin. Is that what they call the flue tin?
I have no idea.
Flue tin, yeah. This is approximately 25 centimetres by 4 centimetres, okay? And obviously it's got
a lift out bit.
Now all we need to do is transfer this mixture into here. Now all you need to do is work it.
Work it.
Make it nice and tight.
Ooh.
Okay. Can you see how it's all sticking together? That's perfect, that's what you want. You want a nice crust at the edge as well. So I go with my fingers like so. There we go. Look at that. Have a look at that. Now I'm just going to put this in the fridge. So I said double chocolate. This is the second part to the chocolate. This is how we're going to get the second layer of chocolate. In my pan here, I've got 20 millilitres of double cream, okay? I want that to warm up, not necessarily boil. It's not much, but that's all I need. And here, I've got one bar of dark chocolate, 100 gram bar, but I've taken out 1 square, put that to one side. Okay.
That's for decoration.
It is for decoration. So basically, there we go, it's warmed up already, it doesn't take long. I'm going to throw in the chocolate, like so, swirl it around. I'm just going to put my gas on very, very low. See it turning already. There you go, can you see that's what you want? Perfect. No, you need to work fast with this.
Otherwise it cools and goes thick.
Let's take this out. And let's pour this There we go. Now with the back of the spoon, just gently spread it around. It doesn't have to be perfect. You're not looking for a perfection because this is going to be covered over as well anyway.
This is just the base on the base.
Exactly.
This is why you have to work fast, because
Yeah, it's
otherwise
setting
it will
already. Yeah.
start
See, that'll do.
setting.
It's setting already, and that's fine. Right, let's just put that back in the fridge now, and that will set. Let's make the filling to go into this pie. Got a bowl. To that bowl, I'm going to add 397 gram tin of sweetened condensed milk. To that, I'm going to add the 175 millilitres of
Lime juice?
lime juice, and we're going to give that a whisk. That's nice combined, and now I'm going to add 300 millilitres of double cream, and you want to whisk it till it's nice and fluffy.
Is this a low-fat version?
No, low-fat version here. And that, let's try it. Yeah, that is lovely. Let's get the base out of the fridge. You see, this is set nicely now. Looks a bit messy, but that doesn't matter because all we're going to do
Cover
is
it up.
cover it up, so no one will ever know.
Well, apart from all the audience on this.
It'll be our little secret. Just going to get a spoon actually. I think that looks amazing actually, doesn't it? Okay, now what you have to do, you have to let it set. Now, you can let it set for 4 hours if you're impatient, or ideally, let it set overnight, okay? I'm gonna let it set overnight. It won't make any difference to you because that's obviously the editing facility, so it'll be fine. So this will go in the fridge, and so will the lime and the chocolate, ready to decorate tomorrow.
In about 20 seconds for you guys.
See you tomorrow. So here we have it. All right, it's been in the fridge overnight. Doesn't that look amazing? All we have to do now is decorate it. Right, you remember that lime zest I had in the fridge? What I've done is I've basically got my mezzalina and chopped it up. By all means, you can obviously use a grater to zest it this way to begin with, but that's just how I did it, okay? Either way, it doesn't really matter. Right, to begin with, that little bit of chocolate, do you remember that little square of chocolate we put to one side? Let's grate that on top. So I've grated about nearly all of it. I've left a little bit here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get the lime zest, put that on top like so. And that little bit of chocolate I had left, this tiny little bit, let's just put more of that on top.
Now we're going to add some tomatoes to
Yes,
it.
we've got a nice tin of tomatoes here. What we're going to do is take it out of the tin.
Oh.
Put it on there.
Da-da!
There we go. Don't even try to take it off the bottom because it's just going to end up breaking apart.
It'll go crumble, crumble.
Exactly.
And it'll be chocolate key lime crumble then.
What must you remember to do?
Oh, something.
Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button. That's the one.
I'm doing that because it covers your face.
Yeah, thanks for that. Any comments, suggestions you have, leave them down below, and I will answer any questions you have as well, okay?
Perfect.
So there you have it. My double chocolate key lime pie. It's light, it's moussey, and very, very moreish. Make it, enjoy it, indulge. You will love it. Lots of love. See you soon. Mwah!
Go away, let's focus on the real star. That's pudding.
Just FYI. All right.
Yeah.
Perfection.
Just feel